Governor Gavin Newsom says schools can begin to reopen even if all teachers are not yet vaccinated against the coronavirus. That's if schools are following procedures and protocols aimed at preventing the spread of the virus. As News Channel 3's Tom Tucker reports, representatives for teachers' unions are taking different positions on the issue.
Governor Newsom spoke about reopening schools for in-person learning Wednesday in Oakland while opening a new mass vaccination site.
What we believe is exactly what the CDC, Dr. Fauci, what the Biden administration believes, that we can safely reopen schools as we process a prioritization to our teachers of vaccinations.
Newsom's stance on the topic of teacher vaccinations is being met with resistance from teachers' unions around the state and locally, including the Desert Sands Teachers Association and the Coachella Valley Teachers Association. Representatives for both groups tell News Channel 3 in-person learning should only resume after all teachers have had the opportunity to receive vaccinations and after COVID-19 case numbers fall to acceptable levels.
I think that the governor is caving to pressure from community and especially from the business world. And I think that he's trying to make statements that will try to make everybody happy at the same time.
The number one thing we need to do is we need to guarantee the safety of our employees, our members.
The statement from the governor Wednesday echoed the same position announced earlier in the day by the head of the CDC. CDC Director Rochelle Walensky says vaccination of teachers is not a prerequisite for the safe reopening of schools. Meanwhile, we're told the 3 public school districts in the valley are making arrangements for teachers and staff to receive vaccinations. Desert Sands Unified and Palm Springs Unified are in the process of setting up clinics with Desert Oasis Healthcare, and Coachella Valley Unified is working with community health partners.
Just as the healthcare workers are getting the vaccine, I think teachers should as well.
Tom Tucker, News Channel 3.
Governor Newsom is also asking the legislature to authorize spending $6.6 billion to purchase PPE ventilation systems and other safety supplies for schools.